Hey, what happened to the dog? My friend, what happened to the dog, my friend?
I think she's Kirkir.
Huh?
So
Kirkir? What happened to the dog?
it's very
My
pretty.
God.
What do you think?
Ah, no, what happened?
It's cholera.
What happened?
Very dangerous, I think so.
Huh?
What is
Story mo, story.
It's very itching.
Huh?
It said it's itching.
Why she suffer?
She suffered. The
Why she
owner-
suffer this kind of diseases? That oh, there's so many sa English sa ito eh. Unsa ra iyang sakit anak? Okay. Skin diseases. What happened? What happened to you? I'm worried to you. I'm worried. What happened? What happened? Oh. Oh, but she is suffering. She is suffering these diseases.
So what to do?
Oh, what to do? What we will do? Nooy. What happened to the dog? What happened? She's very... I am worried to her. Ah, she's living here. She's living here. What happened to her? Tukoy, 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 tukoy. Tukoy, 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 tukoy. Tukoy. Tukoy, 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 tukoy. Shh. Tukoy. Tukoy, 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 tukoy. She is very smelly. She's very smelly. She's suffering the skin diseases. She is very weak. She's very weak. Oh, she's very weak. And then, where is he? Where is she? Where's the door? Ah, okay. Ah, okay. The dog isn't there.